Good morning, boys and girls. Happy VEDMNA. I am walking to school at this moment, and I just wanted to vlog. You know, because I never really vlog on my way there. I don't really vlog on my way back either. I mean, one time I did, but that was when I got lost. But now that I know where I'm going, you know, it'll be a little bit easier. You'll find me looking back. We're doing this to see who's behind me, because there's this guy on a bike, and he likes to zoom past me, and to like be riding behind me until I decide to move. And I'm like, dude, why are you not riding on the street? That's where the bikers should go, on the street. And I know you're only... Sorry, I thought I heard something. I know you're only like a teenager, but still, you need to get your butt on the street and not behind me, because that's so annoying. So I was hoping to catch him on film and be like, that's what happens to me every day! Someone's honking at me. Hello! Yeah. That was weird. Don't honk at me. Don't honk at me! Sorry. Things will happen, and then I'll just let them go by, and then a few minutes later, that's when I'll start getting mad, you know. It's weird. It's just how I roll. Walking to school. So, how's your day going? Mine's going well. Well, actually, I haven't really. I got up like 17 minutes late. Thought I wasn't going to be able to do all the stuff that I wanted to do in the morning, but wound up being able to do it anyways. So, jolly day. Come on, where are you? I want to catch you on film. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Probably not going to even catch me. Probably not. Sometimes he takes this way, and then sometimes he doesn't. I'm figuring that today is one of those days that he doesn't. Vlog every day in May, not April. In September! Isn't it funny how I can just change the rules like that? I think it is. Alright. Well, due to the fact that it's gotten to the awkward part of the situation where I'm not talking, we're just waiting for this guy to show up, I guess I'm gonna go. Have fun with your life. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.